Hey y'all, today we are going to be making no heavy cream potato soup. So if you like yummy, delicious, comforting homemade soup without all of the heavy ingredients, without all the complicated ingredients and complicated steps, this recipe is for you. It's really easy and it just uses things you already have in your pantry and in your kitchen. So we're going to need some potatoes and we're going to need an onion to start. So we're going to begin chopping up our onion. And I am actually doubling this recipe, but you can find the full recipe with all of the ingredients, instructions, and measurements and all of that good stuff in my description. So go check that out for the full recipe. So I'm chopping up an onion here and I have a pot over there on my stove. We're going to need a big pot and you're going to need something to peel your potatoes with, a cutting board, all of that stuff to just get started. So these are about medium-sized potatoes. As I said, I doubled the recipe. So if you're just doing it for the one recipe, you would need 4 potatoes and half of an onion. So I love potato soup, especially on days like today. Today is a rainy day here where I live, and that is a perfect time for potato soup. So I'm getting to peeling my potatoes, and on my stove, I've already started to cook down my onions. So I have some butter in my pan and my onions and a little bit of garlic. Now you're going to peel and dice your potatoes just like this. And in your saucepan, you're going to add in the broth. And when that has been added in to your onions and all of that stuff together, you're ready to put the potatoes in. And so you're going to boil the potatoes on the stove here in the broth with the onions and the garlic and all of that stuff. You're going to boil it for about 15 minutes or until they get tender. So all of the smells are coming together. It's really smelling like there's something good cooking in the kitchen here where I live. And that's just what you want for a day like today. So this recipe is really simple. It just uses simple seasonings just like salt and pepper. And it has the flavor there in the chicken broth as well. So that's really all you need as far as the seasonings go. So my potatoes are boiling pretty good here on the stove. I just need to leave them here and just check on them every so often for about 15 minutes. I like to kind of mash my potatoes a little bit and get them kind of like halfway mashed. So if you have a potato masher and you like to do that as well, you may want to do that when they get tender. So while that's happening, you're going to get like a measuring cup or a bowl and you're going to measure out your milk. And then you're going to use some flour and you're going to whisk those two together while they're cold. So apart from the chicken broth that's boiling on the stove. And you're just going to whisk that together till all the lumps in the flour are gone and it's just smooth milk-like consistency. We're going to pour this in with our potatoes and our broth and all of that stuff in just a moment. This is going to be what thickens up the potato soup. So most potato soup recipes use heavy cream, but I find that I don't usually have heavy cream on hand. So this recipe is great for just those times that you don't have heavy cream or you just want to use the staples you already have in your home. So I love this recipe for that reason. So here is the potatoes. They're ready for me to kind of mash a little bit. And this kind of helps to thicken up the soup as well, but still leaving some chunky pieces. But if you don't like this, you can just leave them diced like they were, whatever you prefer. Okay, I think that's good enough for me. And now we're going to get ready to do our next step, which is adding in the milk. And so you're just going to slowly pour that in. And as you're doing that, you're going to be whisking it with the broth and the potatoes and all of the good stuff in there, like the onions and the garlic. And just whisk that in slowly until you've gotten it all mixed in. And this is where it all comes together and gets really creamy and really delicious, that traditional potato soup type of consistency and flavor. So adding the flour to your milk is what replaces the heavy cream because it helps it to thicken the milk and the cream in the soup. If you find that your soup is not thickening enough, you can always add in a little bit more flour. But you are going to add that in, and then you're going to let it simmer on the stove. So you're going to let that simmer on the stove for about another 15 minutes. And in those 15 minutes, you'll see that it'll begin to thicken up more. When you see that you have gotten your soup to the consistency you like, you can turn the heat off and your soup is done. So with my potato soup, I like to add some bacon pieces and cheddar cheese. And so I put those out and then we just put our soup together. But as it is in the pot, this is the potato soup when it's all done. You can see the thickness has happened and it looks so delicious, and it's still got lots of chunks of potato throughout. So that is how you make potato soup with no heavy cream, no heavy ingredients or complicated steps. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you try this recipe, let me know down in the comment section what you think, and I will see you on the next one.